Imagine a future where AI makes decisions for us. But do we truly understand the power behind it? Or are we just along for the ride? Today's AI news is changing the game. And it's time to break it down. Artificial intelligence has reached a breakthrough in predictive maintenance, allowing Indian industries to reduce downtime by up to 90%, thanks to machine learning algorithms that can detect anomalies before they become a problem. This means factories and manufacturing units can operate more efficiently, saving time and resources. It's a game changer for Indian businesses looking to increase productivity. Another key AI insight is the rise of explainable AI, which is becoming increasingly important in India's growing tech sector. As AI models become more complex, it's crucial to understand how they arrive at certain conclusions, ensuring transparency and accountability in decision-making processes. This is particularly relevant for Indian professionals working in finance, healthcare, and other high-stakes industries. Lastly, the integration of AI and the Internet of Things is revolutionizing the way we live and work. In India, this means smart cities, intelligent transportation systems, and more efficient energy management. It's an exciting time for Indian tech professionals, and we're here to keep you up to date with the latest AI news and trends. To stay ahead of the curve, sign up for the Finaixram weekly newsletter at rzp.io/rzp/tmibq4.
Knowledge creates opportunities, and opportunities create success. Subscribe to Finaixram, where AI meets the future of investing.